Welcome. Today, we're going to explore one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in the system. Aliases. Have you ever wondered how you can create shortcuts for long or complex commands with just a single word? First, let's create a shortcut for a command we use all the time: sudo apt update. Instead of typing the full command every time, we can make an alias. Open your terminal and type. Now, whenever you type up in your terminal, it will automatically run sudo apt update. Just like magic, faster, simpler, and less typing. Now that we have a basic alias, let's make it even more powerful. Instead of just updating, we can chain multiple commands together: update, upgrade, and clean unnecessary packages all in one shortcut. In your terminal, type. Now, typing up will do everything in one go, saving time and effort. Now let's create an alias for a more advanced command in nabs-tech. Instead of typing the full command every time, we can make a shortcut. Here's what this does. SS performs a stealth SYN scan. SV detects service versions. A enables OS detection, scripts, and traceroute. Now let's test it on my IP to see if it works. Now, whenever you type nscan, it will run this powerful map scan instantly. This makes your workflow faster and keeps your terminal neat. Here we are in the file manager, navigating to our web project folder stored in var www.html. You can see index.html, the main page of our project. Normally, we would double-click it to open in Firefox or text editor or an IDE like VS Code. As you can see, manually opening folders and files every time can be slow, especially if you have multiple projects. Now, instead of manually opening the file every time, we can create a shortcut, an alias that does it for us in one command. This way, with a single command, the project folder or even the main page opens instantly, no more clicking through folders. Now, whenever we type web in the terminal, it will open the var www.html folder directly in the file manager and open index with Firefox. Aliases are temporary shortcuts that live only in the memory of your current terminal session. The system remembers it only while the terminal is open. As soon as you close the terminal or restart the computer, the memory is cleared, and the alias disappears. Now, let's make our alias permanent so it survives closing the terminal or restarting the system. In this step, the configuration file you choose depends on the shell you're using. Check which shell you're using by seeing up in the terminal. In my case, ZSH shell. First, we open the bash rc file using your favorite text editor. Here, we're using nano. This file stores all your personal terminal configurations. Next, we add our alias. The RC file runs every time you open a new terminal. That's why anything you put here, like aliases, environment variables, or custom functions, will automatically be available each session. Think of it as your personal setup script for the terminal. After adding the alias, we save the file using Ctrl+O and hit enter, then exit nano with Ctrl+X. This ensures our new alias is stored permanently. Remember, any changes you make here won't apply until the file is reloaded. Use this method to speed up your workflow and make your commands simpler. Experiment with different aliases to create your own custom shortcuts. This is a fundamental skill for power users and anyone who wants to work efficiently in Linux. After adding the alias, save the file with Ctrl+O and press enter, then exit nano using Ctrl+X. Run the command to activate it immediately. And there you have it. Your alias is now permanent, fully functional, and ready to simplify your daily Linux tasks. Remember, the RC file is more than just a place for aliases, it's your personal terminal control center. You can store custom shortcuts, environment variables, functions, and even customize your prompt to make your workflow smoother, faster, and easier to read. The real power of Linux comes from customization. By mastering these small tweaks, you're not just running commands, you're creating a terminal environment that works for you. So go ahead, create your own aliases, explore new functions, and make your terminal smarter and more efficient every day. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and transform your Linux experience from ordinary to truly powerful. Your terminal is now your personal toolkit. Use it wisely, customize it fully, and let it speed up everything you do. Every small improvement you make to your terminal adds up to a faster, smarter, and more personalized Linux experience. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop customizing your system. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and join me on the next Linux lesson.